We are team
Tomodachi Clan. We are from the Assam Northeast
and love the art of cosplay and have been loving it for a while. We hope we can entertain you with our performance.
Why, boy? Why can't you understand your father's will? Have you forgotten the shinobi code?
A code must be determined by the individual. This is what I have decided, just as my master did. Seems you've grown.
Just another pathetic lone wolf.
Loyal wolf, take my blood and live again.
Defeated by my own son. Not so bad after all.